The main concept for our kitchen was to create a flexible, communal gathering space where we can cook, eat, and be together. My name is Alexandria Jones, and my husband and I recently completed our kitchen renovation with Form. We really love to cook, and most of our meals we make from scratch, so we are always in the kitchen. It's literally the heart and soul and the center of our home. The original kitchen was tucked in a far corner of the house, which really wasn't ideal for our family of 6. A big consideration for us when choosing cabinets was, is it easy to clean? The kids sit at the island to do their homework after school, and then Tyler and I cook. And yes, these cabinets are so easy to clean, everything just wipes right off. We made this switch to all electrical appliances, which in addition to being better for indoor air quality, they're more sustainable for the planet. It's safe for the kids to use, and it cooks beautifully. We designed a 10-foot bar area for morning coffee or green juice, filtered water, and it makes a great buffet counter to put food on when we have friends over. One feature we really love is our cookbook nook. In addition to being really fun with the rainbow colors, it's great to have our cookbooks right at our fingertips to just easily slide in and out. We absolutely love having a pull-out kitchen drawer. The recycling's right there, the trash is right there, and it has a compost bin. We compost a lot, and it's so nice to have the little handles and just grab it so we can go right outside to go empty it out. I love not having it all gross on my kitchen countertop. When you cook a lot, when you have kids, having wipeable, scrubbable kitchen cabinet fronts is a must. Our family's kitchen is all about cooking and gathering. We love good food and how it brings us together. We loved working with Form Kitchen, and so the main concept was to create a communal, flexible gathering space where we can work, where we can eat, where we can cook, where we can be together as friends and family.